just working outside. Good to see you. It's Papzy! Hey! And what we're going to do today is go inside after a really long day. Oh, we should probably go get Ryan. Get Ryan. He's climbing by the lemon tree. Wow. Ryan, do you want to go inside and fix the light?
No.
No, but it's going to be dark soon. If we don't have any light, how are we going to see in the dark? I don't know either. So let's go inside and fix the light. Ryan, can you help me turn on the lights? It's so dark in here. Oh, I can see. Wow, this is great. There's one light out. Can you see? There's one light not working. This light's working, but this light's not working. Should we fix the light? Yeah! All right. So Papzy and Ryan are gonna fix the light. But no, kids should never touch a light bulb by yourself. Always have a parent. But we're gonna change the lights, and we can do it as a family. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. First things first, let's turn off the light because it's so hot. Do you guys like light switches? I know I like light switches, but I only like to turn them on once and then leave them because you don't want to turn them on and off a bunch because you'll waste the power, right? Look at it, it's still on. It's still on. Ryan, we have to turn off the light. Let's say up, now turn on, and that turns it off. Down turns it off. Okay. Whoa, that was a huge jump. Should we use the ladder? Yeah? Okay. It's too high. Ryan's not tall enough to change the light bulbs. Now let's look. There are different types of light bulbs. Is this the right light bulb? No. Oh, is this the right one? Yeah. All right. Now that we found our light bulb, we can take out the light and put in the new bulb. Oh, look at the new bulb. Wow. Ooh. Ryan just gave me his milk cup. I don't really want the milk right now because we're changing the light, but that's okay. I'll just put it over here. All right, I'm back. Can I use the ladder, please? Papzy! Oh, this project is taking so long. All right, we're gonna change the light bulb. Ryan, you use the stool, and I'll use this ladder. Feels nice and safe. Oh, I'm at the top step. Here we go. I'm gonna twist the light bulb. Okay? If you're at home, can you do the twist? Hey, this could be a great time for the light bulb song. Let's listen to the light bulb song.
Let's fix the light. We flip the lights switch on, we flip the light switch on, and we look all around. We look all around. Oh, that the light is fixed. We won't touch the switch, so we can keep the lights on. We have the lights on, we have the lights on, we have the lights on. So now let's have some fun. Look to the left, now look to the right. Clap your hands together cause we fix the light. Light, light, light. Flip the light switch for night, night, night. Now that we know how to fix a light, you can make it night or bright, bright, bright. Yeah, yeah. We fix the light. Light, light, light.
Lefty loosey. 2 hands so it doesn't fall on Ryan. We did it. Okay, now let's get down from the ladder safely. We're gonna put this light bulb in the trash. Come with me, come on, I'll show you. All right, here we go. Bye-bye, light bulb. Bye-bye. We can get a new light bulb and put it up. Righty-tighty, and we'll put it right back in. We got our light. That's great. This is the light we're gonna use to put into the light socket. And we're gonna change the light bulb. I'm a parent, so I can do this, but as kids, make sure you ask an adult. And if you need your lights, be sure to go to Ace Hardware in Oakland, California. That's where we got our lights. Ace Hardware, Marcus Supply, Oakland, California. Wow! Okay, Ryan, you ready to help? Yeah. All right! Now I have the light bulb. Can you throw the box away? In the recycling? Yeah, that's the recycling. Good job. Yes. Okay, we have our new light bulb. We're gonna twist this and put this into the socket. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Me too. Okay, Papsy's gonna climb up the ladder. Here we go. 1, a 2 steps. Okay, I'm at the top. Here's my light bulb. Time to put the light bulb in. I twisted it all the way in. I can't twist it anymore. I think the light bulb's ready to be turned on. Ryan, can you help me with the switch? Let's see. One more. Yeah! We did it! Look at the light's working. We put our light bulbs into the light socket, and now we can see. I'm so happy! Yeah! But now, I'm sad to say that this video's over. Oh. But if you want to watch more of my videos, check me out. Papzy! Just look up my name. Papzy! Thanks so much for watching. I'm Papzy. Bye!
Let's fix the light. We flip the light switch off, we flip the light switch on, and we look all around. We look all around. Oh, that the light is fixed. We won't touch the switch, so we can keep the lights on. We have the lights on, we have the lights